the comments down below because it's Thomas's birthday this weekend. Good morning, guys. We are on our way right now to Boost Barn. It's a local shop that specializes in tuning. We're gonna go there and pick up the adapter for the mid pipe to fix the exhaust leak that we have and check it out because we haven't been there yet. Go back to the house, fix it, and finally get to install our rest of the lip kit. The rear diffuser and the rear spats. So we just left Boost Barn, picked up the parts, super cool place. We finally found the shop that we will be going back to often to pick up our parts locally, which we've been trying to find a place like that for a while, and as soon as we pulled up, that place felt right.
Yeah. Shout out to Aaron, super
Yes.
cool dude. He said he was gonna give us a tour next time, so that's gonna be fun.
Yes.
It's a cool spot, so.
Yeah, super cool. We picked up the part right here. That's the adapter that we need, and it comes with a gasket as well as the screws. So this should be able to fix the issue, hopefully. Well, I mean, it will fix the issue.
Yes, it will.
It will fix the issue. I'm declaring that it will fix the issue.
Food vlog break before we get home and install the part. We got some Chipotle, chicken bowl.
Chicken bowl.
I could live off Chipotle.
Honestly, it's actually really good. It's bomb. Bomb. Bomb.com. 10 out of 10. Any day. But Chick-fil-A is still better, just saying.
Yeah, but we don't have Chick-fil-A here.
I know, that's the problem.
Chick-fil-A, if you're watching this, you better open one in, actually, we do have it in Canada, just not in BC. So open one up in BC ASAP, because we'll line up for it. Just like we did for Jollibee.
So this is what a husband is for. To finish your food.
AKA garbage can.
Exactly. When you get married, it's part of the description. When I'm full and I don't want any more, you finish it.
It works out, because most of the time I'm still hungry, even when I'm done my food. So after I eat hers, it's perfect.
Yeah. Does your girlfriend do that or your wife do that? Because I do that all the time. Or if something's bad, I'm like, here babe, have it. I don't want it. It tastes bad.
Husband, aka garbage can, or boyfriend, whatever. Whatever your situation is. Just know that the garbage can is attached to your title. We're reusing the spring bolts from the stock, I guess downpipe to mid-pipe, just without the spring. I'm not supposed to do that, but for the sake of this, now that we have the adapter, it comes with hardware. We can use the new hardware, so I'm just taking this off now so we can slide the adapter in. All done, as you can see. It's kind of dark, but the gasket and the adapter's right there. Tightened everything up. Sounds pretty good.
It sounds different now.
Yeah.
It sounds different.
No leaks. Well, I'm still gonna crawl under to feel it, but from what we can hear, everything's sealed off. You can't really.
I feel like the sound is deeper. Oh.
Yeah.
It sounds deeper, doesn't it?
Yeah.
No, it definitely changed the sound for sure.
One of you guys commented the Grimsby is like the black sheep of the exhaust. I know Grimsby calls it the gentleman's exhaust. I would say we have to agree. Like, we don't really see anybody run this exhaust. I think more people should, because it's actually really good.
Yeah, it's super
Like,
nice.
it sounds nice, build quality is nice, quad tips, double walled, can't go wrong with that. So I like it.
So, that means that if you guys are looking to get an exhaust for your STI, we highly recommend this. For real. Like, it actually sounds fire.
Yeah.
I know on camera sometimes, but like you can't really pick up the sound as good, but like it actually sounds really dope.
Yeah.
Like I'm happy with our decision.
Yeah.
Because my biggest concern is it gonna be like an R401? Like those sound really good.
This is way better.
Nice, yeah. And there's not a lot of drone in the car either. There is a little bit, but the N1 definitely has a lot of drone.
I wouldn't even consider this drone. Honestly, when we're cruising, you can barely hear it. It's only when maybe on like takeoff in first gear, and then when you're actually pushing the car that it's actually loud. But besides that, when you're just cruising, you can have a conversation, you can still listen to music, which I couldn't. Yeah, we just listened to the rumble, we just both stay quiet in the car. But compared to the N1 before, like I could not have a conversation with her. I had to yell. From our rear fog video, same thing to do the, I guess, bumper, we gotta take it off. It's just all these clips. I think there's 10 in total on both sides. And then there's one on each side in the wheel well that you gotta pop off. 2 screws, Phillips head screws. This one and that one. And then we're good. Ooh la la.
Nice.
I thought this was metal.
I honestly thought it was metal for the longest time. I didn't think it was actually silver.
Because the box is heavier too. But I guess it's actually because of these brackets that are metal.
Yeah.
Not because of that. There's a 14mm nut right there. And then there's one right there. So we gotta take off on both sides. Both are off. This one and this one. So I realized there's actually one on the other side, but we don't need to take that off because the bracket only goes on the inside.
Now the fun part.
So I guess it comes with 2 small screws on each side.
Yep.
That bolts into here and here.
Yep.
And that's it.
And then it's sunny outside, so we're gonna go for a drive because we haven't driven the car in a few days and we really miss it. And yeah. And also guys, spam the comments down below because it's Thomas's birthday this weekend and we're going somewhere, so hopefully the weather is good because I want to take her out.
I have no idea where we're going.
You don't, but happy birthday, Thomas! Yay!
Thank you. Happy early birthday, I guess, by the time you guys see this.
Yeah.
But this was the exhaust was a great early birthday present from ourselves to ourselves.
This was actually our wedding anniversary present.
Yes.
Or the wheels was our wedding anniversary present.
Yeah.
Not anniversary, wedding present.
Yeah. Ta-da! We're done.
Finally.
Yeah. Also got to fix this though. I don't know how the clip came off, but sometimes the rear fog just kind of flies out like this, so we gotta fix that. Shout out to IKEA for always having extra hardware. This came in clutch.
See, this is where IKEA is tricky. Is when you finish installing it and then you look and you still have screws left and you're like, okay, either this is extra or I missed something.
Yeah. Either they give extra or at some point my bed's gonna fall apart. But now's the time where extra hardware came clutch. Here is the finished product. We're all done. Lip kit is 100% complete.
Yeah. Okay, what's your favorite part of the lip kit?
Mine, it would have to be either the diffuser or the front lip. I can't really pick because they both look so good. Diffuser makes a huge difference because it's silver and it stands out, but the front lip also gets rid of the big chin.
Yeah. I feel like the whole thing is just like top notch, but I think my favorite piece that we've put on so far is definitely the diffuser. I think it like filled out the rest of the car, because I mean this is really nice as is, part of the bumper, but I think this just added that extra little filling. You know what I'm saying? Like it just, I don't know. I think that was my favorite part of the lip kit installed. But the whole thing is like...
So, lip kit is all done. Only took 8 months. No big deal. By the way, check this location out.
Seriously.
So sick.
Like before we used to always try to look for these locations, but a lot of times they're super far or they're gated off. And where we live now, we are...
No,
but we're like
2 minutes.
So close to all these locations, so we have a lot of fun photo shoot spots coming up, and it's not even busy, it's dead. Like look at
that. This is sick. Maybe we'll take a shot right here. And you can do your gymnastics. That's it, I guess, for this video. We're gonna wrap it up here.
So after we fixed the exhaust leak, car 1 sounds way louder. 2, there's a bit more drone inside the car now.
Yeah.
But it sounds way louder than it did before, because today was our first drive taking it out after we fixed the leak.
Yes. Not in a bad way though. Just not used to having...
You said you couldn't hear.
Yeah, because my ears were buzzing. I liked it though. I don't mind the drone. I still think the N1 was way worse, so this is not really a problem. It sounds really good.
It still sounds good. It sounds notchy.
Yeah. I just love being able to feel the vibration through the car, especially when you're driving. You can literally feel it through the pedals. You can feel like the RPMs and everything. So it's super nice. We're gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching as always.
Yes.
And until next time, we'll see you on the next one.